You don't understand Arabic not because it's hard, but because your ear was never trained. Most learners try to speak before they can even hear. That's the real mistake. In spoken Arabic, people don't speak clearly. Sounds disappear. Words get shorter. Everything becomes faster. So your brain hears noise, not language. And if you can't hear it, you can't repeat it, you can't understand it, you can't speak it. Let me show you. Listen carefully. شو عم تعمل هلأ؟ Normal. شو عم تعمل هلأ؟ Fast real life. شو عم تعمل هلأ؟ Same sentence, but your ear hears three different things. If you only learned the slow version, real life will confuse you. So, what should you do? Train your ear daily, not once every day. Your brain needs constant exposure to tune itself. Skipping days is resisting progress. Even 10-15 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week. Consistency builds automatic understanding. Number two, listen before repeating. Don't rush speaking. If you speak too early, you copy mistakes. First, understand the rhythm, tone, and flow. Your ear builds the correct model before your mouth uses it. Speaking without listening, guessing, not learning. Use layered listening. Slow, repeat. Normal, repeat. Fast, just listen. Slow, understand each word clearly. Normal, connect words naturally. Fast, train your brain to handle real speech. This is how natives actually process language. Repeat only what you hear clearly. Wrong repetition, wrong habits. If it's unclear, don't repeat it yet. Guessing pronunciation builds bad habits. Bad habits are very hard to fix later. Clarity first, then repetition. Focus on real speech, not perfect speech. Real Arabic is not textbook Arabic. People drop letters, shorten words, and connect sounds. Learn how people actually speak in daily life. Perfection slows you down. Reality makes you fluent. You don't become fluent by speaking more. You become fluent by hearing better.